Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Errors are natural part of programming and handling them effectively is a key skill for every developer. In today's video, we'll explore how to deal with errors in JavaScript so your programs can handle unexpected situations gracefully. Let's dive in. First, let's understand what error handling is. In programming, errors can happen for many reasons, like a typo in the code or invalid input from the user. Error handling lets us manage these problems instead of letting them crash our programs. The try, catch, finally block. JavaScript provides a tool called try, catch, finally to manage errors. Let's start with the syntax. The try block contains code that may cause an error. If an error happens, the catch block runs to handle it. The finally block is optional and runs no matter how happens in the try or catch blocks. Let's look at an example to see this in action. Imagine a simple program that divides two numbers. Here is what happens. If we try to divide by 0, the throw statement creates an error, which is then caught by the catch block. The final block runs regardless, showing that the division attempt is complete. Throwing custom errors. Sometimes you will want to throw your own errors to handle specific situations. You can do this with the throw keyword. Here is an example. We create this function named checkAge. In this case, if the age is below 18, we throw an error. The catch block handles it and prints a message. And that's it for error handling in JavaScript. Now that you know how to handle errors gracefully, you are one step closer to writing reliable programs. In the next video, we'll be diving into DOM manipulation, where you will learn how to interact with and modify the web page itself using JavaScript. It's going to be fun. See you in the next video. Bye!